Welcome to Ecorporate Trainings, your gateway to mastering the world of UI/UX design. Whether you're looking to craft beautiful user interfaces, create intuitive digital journeys, or become a professional UX designer, our UX design course covers everything you need. Start with the fundamentals and understand the difference between UI and UX to build a strong foundation. Learn how to apply the design thinking philosophy to solve real user problems creatively and effectively. Through real-world applications, you'll discover how great design can drive meaningful digital experiences. Master the core areas of UX by learning research methods, user personas, journey mapping, and defining strategy. Build your own wireframes and interactive prototypes using popular tools. Deep dive into the principles of UI design, such as hierarchy, color theory, and typography, and learn how to implement them effectively. You'll get hands-on experience with industry-standard tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. Understand how to create responsive designs that work beautifully across all devices, and improve user experiences with UX writing and usability testing techniques. As part of your learning journey, you'll work on a live project and build a professional portfolio that showcases your skills to potential employers. At Ecorporate, we combine hands-on training with real-world projects and expert-led instruction to help you master every step of the learning process. Upon completion, you'll earn a certificate that demonstrates your skills and readiness for the industry. Ready to take your design career to the next level? Join Ecorporate Trainings and start your UX design journey today. Visit www.ecorporatetrainings.com to learn more.